Hello, and welcome to my channel. Today we're doing something I have never done before, and I'm super excited because today I have my favorite running subscription box here, which is the Fun Run box, and I'm going to be opening it with you guys and doing a little unboxing. If you don't know, I think I've talked about this in the past, but I absolutely love having a running subscription box because I love getting like fuel and pre-race goodies and just not having to think about it. Sometimes I do repurchase some of my favorite fuel items. Like I really like Cliff Blocks as my like during run fuel, and I like Honey Stingers as well. So sometimes I will repurchase those things, but I also really like trying a variety of new things, especially during my training runs. In my races, I like to be conservative. I like to stick with what I know, but during my training runs, I always like to mix it up because I'll get bored if I use the same stuff all the time. And this box is my absolute favorite. But first, I'm going to tell you a little bit about Fun Run Box. And no, I don't like get free box or anything. Like, this is just my honest review because I really like this company and I really like these boxes, and they really helped me always have something on hand for when I need fuel and other random things for running, and help me discover new products that I absolutely love. But basically, so Fun Run Box, it costs between $33 and $39 depending on if you get like an annual or a monthly membership. So that's like around how much it costs. And then there's also challenges every single month where you are challenged to do something specific. It's like a mileage challenge, or sometimes it's like a specific workout challenge. And when you purchase these boxes, you get a private running group, and there's like motivation and different like things on there, and you can like post your challenge like prep and stuff. You can also gift Fun Run boxes. That's how I first discovered this company, but now I absolutely love them and I buy them for myself. I have like an annual subscription because I really do love them. So yeah, I just really enjoy Fun Run boxes. So without further ado, let's get in. Let's get into it. Let's crack her open. This is the first time I've introduced a weapon on my channel, so watch out. Let's see. Okay, what do we have this month? Okay, so this month's challenge is the resolution challenge. I think they did this one last year too, because I have on the whiteboard in my hallway, I have a collection of all these little magnets, and I have so many of them. And I think they do the resolution challenge every year. But let's see what it is. So it's time to commit to your running program for 2026. Do something active every day of January. Run, bike, hike, do strength training, or do any type of active recovery like yoga or even getting a massage to engage your body and mind and get used to a high level activity to prime you for a strong 2026. And there's also like a little giveaway where like if you complete the challenge, like you can win, like this time you can win a $50 gift card to a running or fitness store of your choice. So like that's what the little challenges look like, and they come in a little card. The other thing I really like is that they do have a list of everything that's in the box, how much it costs, and where you can buy it. So like this is the one for this box, and it really helps if you want to repurchase things. Like one of my favorite things that I've gotten in a Fun Run box that I've seen is I got like cold shower wipes, or like like to like wipe off like in between doing things. And I literally repurchase those like every single month because I'm running around to do so many different things, and it's just so helpful to like have on hand. But let's see what we've got today. The first thing we have is some fuel glucose. This is a really good brand. I actually have some of their stuff that I've tried and I've really liked, and some of their stuff that I have not tried yet, but I really like. This is a liquid, guys. Like this is not like a gel, like a honey stinger type situation. This is a liquid, and that can be really good, especially in the cold. Like I really like it in the cold because like chewing stuff in the cold, it's hard sometimes. So these ones have 25 milligrams of caffeine. I like the ones that have just a little caffeine and not too much. And they're both lemon lime. It's a lemon lime energy liquid, 2 times more energy, 2 times faster intake with no upset stomach, essential electrolytes, and clean natural ingredients. Each one has 70 calories, 15 grams of sodium, 16 grams of carbs. That's really good for a liquid. That's the other thing, is sometimes liquids don't have as many, but these ones have lots of carbs. So I'm excited. I actually think I have tried these, but I don't think I've tried the lemon lime ones. So I'm excited to try a new flavor of these. Next we have Z2 or is that ZZ? I can't actually tell. Energy gel, tropical fruit flavor with 100 calories, 25 grams of carbs, and 105 grams of sodium. What is this? Dietary, oh, it's a gel. For some reason I was holding it, I thought it was a powder. It's a dietary supplement gel. Consume one packet 15 minutes before workout and every 30 to 45 minutes during workout. Oh, so it's just like, I've never seen or heard of this brand before. It has very boring packaging, I will say. I normally go for stuff with fun packaging, like honey stingers, Cliff Blocks, that kind of stuff. But this is interesting. Yeah, I've never heard of this brand, and I was confused because it says a dietary supplement gel, but it's just like you're just supposed to take it during your workout. So that's interesting. Tropical fruit sounds good though. Like, ooh, what is this? I love the like pre-run stuff too. Real Kate's Food, or is it Kate's Real Food? Energy bar, white chocolate macadamia. That sounds good. I love the sweet stuff like before a workout. So like this is right up my alley. I'm not usually a huge fan of white chocolate, but we'll give it a try. So I like this because I can like try a bunch of different things. It has almond butter, which I do love. So, you know, we never know. Maybe it will be a hit. I think there's something else pre-racy in here. Feel Balance Caramel Sea Salt and Maca Root Plant Protein Bar. I don't think any of those words like went into my brain. Enhanced with maca root for stamina, balance, and mood. Oh, this is going to make me less of a... I can't say that on YouTube. I need to cut that out. I'll cut that out. That's really interesting. And like I said, I love trying all these like different things. I think there might be... Yeah, there's another one in here. So there's the caramel sea salt and the brownie chocolate chip. I'm excited to try these because the flavors look really good. I don't know about the maca... Oh, this one has lion's mane. I have heard of lion's mane. I think that's a... Lion's mane. I think that's a mushroom, but I have not heard of maca root. So we'll try these, and I am very excited. I like all the sweet stuff. That is one thing about this box, is if you don't like the sweeter stuff, if you like the more savory side, like definitely pick a different box, because usually all of this stuff is sweet. And what is this? Oh, it's a water bottle. Hydro Pack Tempo water bottle, 400 milliliters. This is like a nice running and holding size. I might use this for my warm-ups. I can always use more of these like cheapy little water bottles because I will bring them to track meets and just lose them and never see them again, especially the ones that like I carry with me on my warm-ups. So that's nice. Like I literally have gone through like so many, but when you're a runner, water bottles just appear in your house, I swear. And this is Life Doesn't Stink Anti-Chafe Bomb. Oh my god, I actually have this. I think I actually got it in one of these boxes like several years ago. It's a plastic-free anti-chafe bomb. I actually love this product. It's really good. Let me see if I can keep it open. The one thing I will say is it's like very hard to apply. Like you do kind of have to get your hands dirty to like apply it, which is why sometimes I go with like the sticks versus like this isn't a stick, it's just kind of like a little pot kind of situation. But I really like these for like your feet. Is that a weird thing to say? Probably. It's a running channel, guys. I really like this stuff for like your feet and like kind of around your arms where like your shirt rubs and stuff too. Not so much for like between my legs, but like I will definitely get some use out of this. And Stinkbug is one of my favorite running brands. I have so much like Stinkbug stuff in that like general category. There are a few more things in here. Spark Energy Gummies, 200 milligrams of caffeine per bag. And this one has lion's mane and maca. Is it the same brand? No, this one's, wait. I'm a mess. Is this actually the same brand? I'm confused. Because this one says Spark and this one says Feel. Hold on. Let me look at this card. No, I think these are different brands. They just have the same two ingredients. I've never heard of maca root before, so I thought maybe they were the same. But it also says Focus, Energy, and Mood with 200 milligrams of caffeine, lemon, raspberry, and orange. Now that sounds really good. I will probably give these to my dad, because I don't love a ton of caffeine. Sometimes they give you this super caffeinated stuff, and I usually pass it along to my dad because I don't love, I'll do like 25 milligrams or 50 milligrams, 200 milligrams. I will get heart palpitations. But he's a coffee drinker, so like he could probably like have 5 of these and then take a nap. So I'll definitely give those to him. There's another Real Kate's energy bar. This one's peanut butter dark chocolate, which the real chocolate, the dark stuff, that's much more up my alley. But yeah, I really like all of this like pre-run stuff, but just keep in mind it is all going to be sweet for the most part. Next we have Happy Running Nutrition watermelon flavor, pure energy, no shortcuts. They do always put at least one of these in. That's another thing I like about this box is you'll always get something from each category. You'll always get something for like before a run, something for during, and then like a hydration-y thing, and then you'll also always get like something like this or like a new product to try kind of thing. So yeah, this is just like a mix-in for your water, but I actually really like watermelon ones. I think a lot of flavors get diluted, but I don't think watermelon does as much, so I will definitely use that. Those are one of the things that I use every single day, so it's really nice to like have something new to try. And then the last thing, oh, I did not see that in there. Okay, so the last thing is for the water bottle. You're supposed to, let's see if I can figure this out. I'm struggling, guys. Like I don't exist in the real world. So anytime you ask me to like do anything real, I don't understand what is happening. I'm trying to figure this out. This is like very self-explanatory and doesn't need directions. I'm just like an idiot. Like, come on. There we go, I think. I might have done that wrong, but it's okay. You get the idea. Okay, so it's a little strap for the water bottle because like I said, oh, it'll be the perfect shape for when you're like warming up or something. Yeah, it actually has a strap, so you can use it when you're warming up. That's a pretty good strap too, actually. I really like stuff like this because like, again, you lose it all the time. And yeah, that is everything. So I feel like we got a really good, especially good haul this month. But there is lots of different stuff that you can get in here. Like, there's other things I've gotten in the past. I've gotten definitely those wipes that I really like, different types of like anti-chafe powders. I've gotten like waterproofing spray, which I really like. Sometimes they'll send KT tape, which is always, or different brands of KT tape, but like it's the same difference. Like it's always nice to have a refill on stuff like that because a lot of it is stuff that if you're running like every day or most days like I am, you just go through it so fast. So it's really nice just to not have to think about like, oh, I need to restock this because like you have stuff coming. And what I do think is it's definitely catered more towards people who are going to buy it every single month because those things will come in kind of like a silk fashion, if you will, like where you'll get one product from each category every couple of months to kind of restock for like things like this, not like fuel and food and stuff, obviously. But like, I don't know. I just feel like I really like this box and I really want to use my channel to also kind of spotlight companies that I really like because I feel like there's a lot of space in the running world where there's different products that people like, and I always like to kind of support businesses that I like and show them to you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if a running subscription box is something that you would want to try, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see y'all later. Bye.